Hey guys, Jason Kern here at Drum Percussion Studio, and this is pretty much our home base. This is where we teach most of our lessons and classes, but it's also a place where I get to put together a lot of my school programs and I get to try things out. We're getting ready for a bunch of really cool assemblies at a school not far from here called Gateway Elementary. Hi Gateway. And one of the fun things about going into the schools is that it's a chance to do a big, large assembly in front of lots of kids who wouldn't normally have a chance to see these instruments and maybe get to learn a little bit more than they already knew. So we're getting ready for a program that takes students around the world. It's about a 45-minute program. And let me give you a little kind of sneak peek of what's going to happen in the program. We start in Asia, and so we've got a bunch of really cool instruments, different types of bells from India. We've got our singing bowls from Tibet, our mock tak from Korea. Lots of different instruments. And so we get to explore those for a little bit. And then what we'll do is we'll head over to South America, which is, of course, home to the largest rainforest in the world. And one thing that's a lot of fun about this segment of the show is we get to pass out a bunch of really cool instruments, things like these rain sticks and other different sound effects, and get the kids involved. And just learn about some other really cool music. We've got our go-go bells, tambourines and surdos, lots of different instruments. So we'll talk about the difference between maybe some of the country sounds or the rural sounds in the rainforest and then in the city. We move over to Africa. We get a chance to learn about some of the really cool instruments in West Africa, and these are the dununs. It's a family of bass drums. We'll talk about those a bit. And then, of course, we'll wrap up with a little American music, and we get a chance to kind of jam together, put some recycled instruments together, sort of in the style of stomp. So it's a lot of fun to get everybody together and jam at the very end. So if you're ever interested in having us out to your school or know somebody that would be, please pass our information along. We'd love to come visit you and share one of our assemblies. So we'll see you next time. Bye.